Put your Raspberry Pi to work. Make it a retro gaming machine during the night and an IoT hub during the day. Anavi pHAT is a super simple, low-cost open-source hardware add-on board for Raspberry Pi with buttons for retro gaming and slots for up to 3 sensor modules. Inspired by the classical game controllers from the early 80s, Anavi pHAT fits perfectly on top of any Raspberry Pi model or version with 40-pin header, including Raspberry Pi 3 and 0. You can easily mount it with your bare hands. Anavi pHAT works out of the box on Raspbian. The board is also fully compatible with RetroPie. Anavi pHAT is a certified open source hardware project designed with the free and open source software pHAT. All boards will be made in the European Union. Anavi pHAT is available as a soldering kit for makers or as a fully assembled unit. Furthermore, you can order kits with acrylic cases and various sensors. Thank you for watching. Have a look at the description of the video for details and subscribe to my channel for more videos.